Hello, it's Dr. Yami, and welcome to Veggie Fit Kids. I have with me today Emily from Portland, Oregon, and her son Jacob. And Emily is this month's Veggie Fit Mom of the Month. Welcome, Emily and Jacob.
Hi, thanks for having us.
I wanted to talk to you about your lifestyle and your way of eating. Why would you consider yourself a Veggie Fit Mom?
Well, we've been following a plant-based diet for the past 9 years, and I'm also very passionate about exercising and staying healthy in that way too.
Awesome. And Emily, you have three kids. So Jacob is your youngest, three, and you also have two girls that are 5 and 7 years old. So you have quite a household to manage. What do you call your way of eating?
I would say it's a plant-based diet because we focus on eating whole plant foods.
Mhm.
And, if you just say vegan, that can include a lot of junk food, and we
Mhm.
try to stay away from that vegan junk food.
Excellent. And why do you eat this way? Why did you make a change 9 years ago?
I read some books like The China Study and Eat to Live, and those just really made sense to me. I've always thought eating more fruits and veggies was really healthy, and then just reading all the research behind why it's so healthy was really convincing to me. So that's why I made the change.
Excellent. Was it difficult to make that change initially?
Um, it wasn't too bad actually. It took a while to kind of figure out, substitutes for certain things. But I had already been trying some vegetarian recipes, and I really liked cooking. So it was a pretty smooth transition, actually.
Excellent. What do you consider the hardest part about eating this way?
I think the hardest part is eating with other people who are not, vegan or vegetarian. And I think I can cook meals that are vegan that are really tasty that other people would like, but also trying to make it healthy and having other people eat it is the hardest part for me.
Well, especially if they hear, you almost have to trick people and just say, this is a delicious Mediterranean meal instead of saying it's plant-based or vegan, because people get biased and then they're just like, I don't want that.
Right, exactly. So I would say that's the hardest part.
What do you think is the best part about eating this way?
I think the best part is I feel the healthiest eating this way. I have tried some other diets or ways of eating in the past, and eating lots of fruits and vegetables and unprocessed foods, I definitely feel the healthiest and the best. So it just makes it easy to stick.
Excellent. And has it been difficult for your children to transition into this way of eating?
Um, they were mostly raised since they were born eating this way.
Mhm.
What's hard is when they have been introduced to some of the, um, standard American foods. They do ask for them and want them occasionally, but generally they eat, um, almost all plant-based meals, and they're used to it, so they enjoy it for the most part.
That's great. What is your go-to meal? What is the meal that your family loves and that you cook on a recurrent basis?
Um, I really change up what we eat like, I wouldn't say we cook the same meal, the same meals every week, but I would say we all really like a healthy, like vegan mac and cheese that the cheese sauce is made with vegetables and cashews. Um, and then we all generally like rice and beans and a vegetable with, guacamole or some other kind of sauce on top.
Sounds yummy. And it's fine to keep it simple and things that you know you love. And also what I tell people is when they have recipes that they already like in the standard American diet, you can make the same thing plant-based. And often it tastes better, makes you feel better, just like you were saying before.
Yeah.
What advice do you have for other moms and dads out there that are wanting to transition their families to a healthier way of eating?
I would say, give it a lot of time. Don't give up if your family doesn't like it right away. Keep trying new recipes and try to avoid bringing in foods you don't want the family to eat into the house. Because if it's in the house and just dad is eating them, the kids are probably going to want them too. So just bring in foods that you want your family to eat and just keep trying new recipes and new foods. And I think eventually some of the healthy foods will be taken better by the kids or enjoyed more.
Beautiful. That is amazing advice. Just like Chef AJ says, if it's in your house, it's in your mouth. So you got to keep your environment health promoting as much as possible because they have plenty of opportunities outside the house to indulge in those other foods if they
Right.
like. Emily and Jacob, thank you so much for being the Veggie Fit Kid mom and toddler of the month. I appreciate your time.
Yeah, we were happy to be here. So thank you.
Thank you and have a plantastic day.
Thanks. You too.